This beautiful lakeside Emerald Bay condo offers the opportunity for luxurious and spacious living. Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks and the Ron Dodge Real Estate Group. Let me show you around. With its scenic views of the main channel, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath end unit offers a perfect blend of comfort and style. The recent remodel has given this condo a contemporary look with modern finishes. The main living areas feature LVP flooring, creating a cohesive and modern look. The floor plan also allows for spacious living. Corian countertops, composite sink, backsplash, and stainless steel appliances contribute to the sleek and elegant updated kitchen. The master suite is also a highlight, boasting a beautifully updated bathroom with walk-in shower and direct access to your lakeside deck. This private space allows you to enjoy breathtaking views of the lake. Additionally, the unit's proximity to the community dock, a 12x32 boat slip, clubhouse, and pool ensures easy access to various amenities, making transitions to lake life seamless. Whether you're looking for a personal lifestyle upgrade or an investment opportunity, this Emerald Bay condo offers the perfect combination of comfort, style, and convenience.